Hello, home baker. What are you making for us today? A cinnamon roll cake. Is it a cake? Is it a cinnamon roll? Who knows? This will either be a triumph or a complete and utter disaster. Let's begin. Go ahead and get your dry ingredients and toss them into a bowl. Then, add your wet ingredients into another bowl and mix. Our home baker will be using the stand mixer. Please use the dough hook attachment. The dough hook attachment. You're doing this on purpose, aren't you? The dough hook attachment. Finally, now we can move on from your attachment issues and on to the next step. The home baker will transfer the dough to another bowl, cover it with a towel, and place it in a nice warm spot for 40 minutes. He will use this time to make the cream cheese frosting. He will remove the butter from the packaging by opening the wrong side, completely ignoring the perforated side. That's for easy access. He'll now set the butter and cream cheese aside for them to come to room temperature. Which room? Any room but the bathroom. Once the butter and cream cheese are soft, he can proceed with making the frosting. The home baker will add butter to the bowl. He will beat the butter for 2 minutes using the paddle attachment. No? Haha, very funny. He will then add the cream cheese and mix only enough for the two to combine. Gradually add the powdered sugar while the mixer is on low speed. He will add vanilla extract and heavy cream and slowly whip. Let's check on our dough. I just noticed how big your hands are. The cinnamon roll is supposed to be the crown, not the beanie. Oh dear, I hate to break it to you, but no amount of butter can salvage it. We'll call this one Icarus because it flew too close to the sun. Next time, use aluminum. Or is it aluminium? Tinfoil. Use tinfoil. Where are the swirls? This one looks like it was brought to us by the letter G. So is it pronounced cinnamon roll or cinnamon roll? There's no shame in defeat. Just go out and buy a cinnamon roll. Nobody's gonna know. There's the fire. This one's more cinnamon rose than cinnamon roll. But you know what? I like it. It's got character. He will eat some of the filling off camera because he lacks self-control. Now it is time to make the cake. Once the batter is ready, you will divide them into 2 bowls, adding cinnamon to one of them. He will scoop the batter into cake pans, alternating between vanilla and cinnamon, until he sees rings. He will now cut the cake sponges in half. Why did you bring that? We're slicing a cake, not hacking through the jungle. Put that away before you hurt yourself. Much better. A knife designed for a cake, not survival. Now it is time to assemble the cake. Look at those swirls. I give this one a solid 8.1. Or are you gonna try it again? I knew you wouldn't be happy with that score. Now that's a cinnamon roll. Oh, you made 2. You're not leaving anything up to chance. Okay, now you're just showing off. That's the perfect cinnamon roll cake. 10 out of 10. The moment of truth. That good, huh? Well done. High 10, because you got massive hands. Get it? If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more content.